Hi friends, I am here with this story we just read, Neo Leo and the Ageless Ideas of Leonardo da Vinci. And here's a picture of Leonardo's, one of his paintings, the Mona Lisa. He was really famous for painting that. And he did so many neat things. And I have a few words that are coming from the book that I thought we would talk about. So some of them I know different languages for. So the first one I have is eagle. Now eagle is not the only bird that he looked at. Remember, he watched birds to see how they were, and he made some things because he watched the way the birds were. And so in English, eagle is eagle. In Spanish, eagle is aguila. And in Hmong, it's da. So there's eagle. Next, we have to write. When Leo was thinking of his ideas, he wrote them down. So to write in English is to write. In Spanish, it's escribir. And in Hmong, it's xiao, to write. And I also have pencil. He probably used a pencil when he was drawing and writing his ideas. So in English, it's pencil. In Spanish, it's lápiz. And in Hmong, it's jumequa. Next is notebook. He probably wrote in a notebook in order to get all those notes that he had. So in English, it's notebook. In Spanish, it's cuaderno. And in Hmong, it's pau dao xiao, notebook. Next is scientist, and I only know that in English, but that one is scientist. And this one is hot air balloon. And if you remember inside the story, he did one that was triangular, and they come up with another one that was not later. And remember, this one is called bicycle. And the bicycle, remember, they weren't sure if it came from Da Vinci or whether somebody else had, but in his notes, he had a lot of pictures of things with wheels in it. And last, I have turtle, because turtle is what he looked at in order to make his tank. And so I have turtle here. And I wanted to show you some of these words because when we read stories, we can look at different words and we can find out what they mean and kind of talk about them more. Also, on the link below on this website, you'll be able to find a link where you can look into how to try one of Leonardo da Vinci's inventions, which was the pencil bridge. So they use pencils to build a bridge that does not have a pillar in the middle. And so that's what I'd like you to try if you can with your mommy and daddy or grandma and grandpa or even your brother and sister. They might be able to help you. So I hope you have really fun doing it, and I hope that you've learned a lot from Leo this week, and I just will talk to you next time, okay? I love you.